Hey everyone, if you're having trouble recovering data in AppFlowy, whether backups won't restore, pages are missing, or recovery keeps failing, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common AppFlowy data recovery issues in 2026. First, verify that your backup file is complete and not corrupted. If the backup was interrupted during creation or transfer, AppFlowy may not be able to restore it properly. Next, make sure you're using the correct backup file. If you have multiple backups, check the dates and file names to ensure you're restoring the version you actually need. Another common fix is updating AppFlowy to the latest version. Newer versions often include bug fixes and compatibility improvements for backup and recovery features. If the recovery process fails, restart AppFlowy and try again. Temporary application glitches can sometimes interfere with data restoration. You should also check that the backup file is stored in a location that AppFlowy can access. Permission issues can prevent the application from reading recovery files. If you're restoring cloud-synced data, verify that your internet connection is stable and that synchronization has completed successfully. Another helpful step is creating a new workspace and attempting the recovery there. This can help determine whether the issue is related to the original workspace. If only certain pages are missing, allow additional time for synchronization and indexing to complete. Some content may take a little longer to appear after restoration. And that's how to fix AppFlowy data recovery issues in 2026. In most cases, verifying backup integrity, updating the application, checking permissions, and ensuring proper synchronization will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.